Hi, this is Newson from New Horizons, and today we're looking at the playback ribbon, the video tools ribbon in PowerPoint. Um, Basically what we've got, in my previous lesson I covered the format ribbon, yeah, and now I'm going to look at the playback ribbon. This video tools ribbon, the format and playback, only appears because the video is selected. If I click away, remember, it disappears. If I click back on it, they appear. Now, the playback ribbon, first button will allow us to play the video. It's pretty straightforward, right? The next group of buttons allow us to create bookmarks in the video. Now, to create a bookmark, all I do is I can zoom into the video, click on a position, click there, jump to there, click on add bookmark. It's telling me there's a bookmark there. Click here, add bookmark, and what I can do now is click back on here, and I'll jump straight to that bookmark. And as I'm on it, I can remove it, but I won't do that for now. Suppose I wanted to go forward to this bookmark. I press Alt and End on my keyboard, and it will jump me forward to that bookmark. If I want to go back to the previous bookmark, I can either click on it or press Alt, ALT, and Home on the keyboard, and that will jump to it. Now I'll click on Remove the bookmark. I'll jump to the other bookmark using the mouse, click on it, and click on Remove Bookmark here. Okay. I'm going to move on to the Trim Video and Editing section here. The Trim Video, if I click on it, allows me to actually adjust the start and end times of the video. And actually we can see this one's been adjusted slightly already. So I can say I want the video to start when you see these people. Yeah, 1:22 in there, and I did that by dragging this green line here. As you can see, I'll drag it there, and I dragged it 1:27. It shows me the video as I drag it, which is really great. I can drag this one, but I can also set the time for it. So if I go like that, it'll show me the time, and I can basically end it without showing the logo. But it might be wise to end it showing our logo. So I'll end it showing our logo. Yeah. And if I click on OK, video is trimmed. And if I go forward in the video, you'll see it starts with the people that I selected, as you can see, and it will end with our logo. I've clicked at the end there. I haven't actually played it, I've just jumped to those frames. I can actually set a fade as well to how it appears on this. So if I can set a half a second fade by clicking on this up arrow. That's a quarter of a second, that's a half a second, 1/10, that's a second fade, and I can set a fade out of half a second as well. That basically means that what will happen is the poster frame that we discussed in our format video will appear during the end, and what we might see here is the poster frame appear now rather than the OGC properties. Can you see that? The poster frame appears to allow the fade in, and if I go back to the beginning here, the poster frame appears before the people appear. Can everybody see that? Yeah? The poster frame being this video here. Okay, I'm going to move on now to the volume. We can set the volume of the actual video to low, medium, high or mute. Right? We can also set some options for how the video plays when it's running the presentation. Basically, this video is going to start on a click. I need to click on the video when the presentation is running. I need to hover my mouse and click over it, and it will play full screen. Try to not select hide while not playing, because when you hide the video, you won't be able to see it when you go to play it when the presentation is running. Loop until stopped should be avoided, because that will loop the video, and you have to press escape for it to advance to other slides. Okay, what we're going to test now is whether this video plays full screen when I run the presentation. So I'm going to press F5 to run this presentation on my keyboard, or I could indeed go down here and press the slideshow button, but I'll press F5. And what that means is what I have to do, if I hover my mouse around, I have to click on the video, which may not be to play it, and I'll press escape to stop it, and we saw that. Thanks for watching. I'm going to escape out of that. Thanks for watching. So you see, it played full screen, and it played when I clicked, but I had to put the mouse in. I had to display the mouse. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.